Hi, today we are going to very quickly go through the feature work of the Dronas' AI management tool. So, at a very high level, right, we can use this tool to configure pipes, create pipes, AI pipes and flows, workflows, save them, reuse them, and also manage the containers on different hosts. So time being, we can support like 3 to 4 hosts, and they should be in the same network. And everything is like local. Okay. We'll try to address each uh, vertical on the product, but today's demo we'll just look at the chat prompting interface. Okay. So I'm just typing a question and Apple. Of course, here you can choose any model that we want to use. Currently, the backend is of course Olama, amazing tool. So inference is done using Olama, and ideally speaking, we can interface with any transformer or any new model that comes even without using Olama. We'll come to that feature later. So right now we are just I'm just choosing the Quen model and typing a question. What is an apple? Okay, clearing the memory. So what happens here is the UI, I mean the history is still visible for us, but when we chat with the backend, the history is not sent. So basically, during the inference, we don't give the history we sent. Again, I'm typing the question: what is an apple? Okay, so if you see, it has given a different answer, right? So in some cases, when we are like testing RAG applications, and we don't want this to happen, we want the inference engine to create uh, inferences which are like, I mean, generally during a debug process, right? We wanted to generate the same data that we got earlier. So for that, what we are going to do is we are going to fix a seed. So once we have fixed seed, again typing the same question. Of course, if I click on the question, it comes here. Okay, the seed is fixed. I'm clearing the memory. Again, the same question, and I got the ditto answer, the same answer. So what's happening here is, right, generally in AI generations or during inference, uh, in this case transformers or any generators, right? If it is scalar tensor, it is going to fill the tensor with random values. If it is a matrix, it's again going to fill it with random values. So when we fix the seed value, what's going to happen is the random values that is going to get filled in those tensors is going to be the same. Any machine, anywhere, it should be the same. I mean, that's a feature of a tensor. Okay. I mean, this it's more pronounced when we do queries on, say, programs or. So I'm just typing. Mm, write a Python snippet to print values from an array of fruits. Okay, I'm clearing the memory, sending the same question. So see, I'm seeing the same result here. Okay, now let's change the seed, or I can unset it. To unset it, we just give it as -1. Type the same question. Got the. We'll try it once more. I think I didn't clear the memory. Okay, try it once more. Good. Okay. So the temperature, of course, the lower temperature is going to, the inference is going to happen as close to your expectation. Like we can say that the model is not going to hallucinate. Okay. And apart from that, you can set a system prompt.